really cool sweep across.
These are the chambers, the combustion chambers with the injectors, with the optimised head. They're all straight through, and I've got capacity to add more holes. What's different is the ignition system will pass directly through into the chamber, and this distance here is filled with resin to seal that, and then we're printing the carbon fibre heat shields really. So it's laid carbon fibre across it, and then it will lay some smooth PA, which is carbon chop with a binder over the top, and then it will lay at 60-degree angle to those carbon fibres another layer of carbon fibre. So that's 100% fill of carbon fibre. That's the hardener. So that's just resin, but what I'll add to it is this, which is very finely chopped fiberglass matting, because all those threads interlock, gives it strength, and then that will thicken it all up. And I'm pushing the cable down right to the bottom where I can. It won't bend at all. Very light. And this is what carbon fibre on the reel looks like. It's like wire. I don't know if you can see that. And it has impregnated into it a resin that when it gets heated to a certain temperature, it softens and it's able to be laid down by the printer. But very strong, very rigid, lightweight, and heat resistant to a certain degree, which is perfect for this job. And we just want the resin to ooze. See, it's just oozing a bit there. That's perfect. And it's just oozing on the seams a little bit. Very good. Just clean that up. A little bit of acetone. Job's a good one. So this is the battery compartment for the servo and the nano, which is Jeff has designed this. It fits and bolts in there, looks very neat. These are the ignitors. So I'm printing them first vertical and I'm trying them horizontal. You would not think a 3D printer can bridge that gap without support, but it does. This was just to find the right thread. Looks good. Yeah. And then what Jeff is doing at the moment, he's going to take this piece and redesign it in Fusion with a piece that comes down to accept Arduino Nano, and that will be produced as another piece. So the Nano